Hi and hello everyone. I'll be talking about main points with regards to NEET. Firstly, let me tell you one thing, that it is a myth that NEET exam is difficult. Okay? Like how earlier in your 10th standard they told that 10th standard exam is gonna be difficult, but when you wrote, you know the level what you actually underwent. Then when you talk about second PU exam, everyone will tell that it will be very difficult. Trust me, you all have written that exam also. So it's not gonna be difficult. Even NEET, everyone over here has a myth that NEET exam is gonna be very difficult, we cannot actually perform very well, and that nahi. Please trust me, have one mindset that NEET exam is gonna be very easy. But there is a pattern that you need to follow. Okay? The very first mistake what everyone will do over here is, we start from like the pattern what NEET people have given. You start with physics or chemistry or bio itself. Please don't do this. Try to understand your core competency. Where are you more stronger? ठीक है, आप जहां पर ज़्यादा strong है वहां से आप start करना पड़ता है. तो make sure that you identify your strength. Probably some of them are very, what you say, brilliant in biology. So you people start answering right from biology itself. If someone is good in chemistry, start from chemistry. If someone is good in physics, start from physics. Okay. First is for the subject which is your beloved one. Okay. What you like, you have to go for that subject first. Then go for second, what is a level, which is the second most easier one. Then go for the toughest one. If you go in this way, first thing is your confidence is gonna boost up, that you have written and you know that you're gonna perform better. This is first technique. Second technique is, usually what people will do is they bubble the answers right away. When they are writing at that time itself, they try to bubble. It is very wrong way. This is gonna consume more time. So what you have to do is, at a stretch, probably 15 or 20 answers at a time you have to bubble. Make sure that you have made a very small mark over there, and later on you bubble up. But 20 of them together when you do, this is gonna save time. Believe me, all this is the one which has been researched already. Okay? It's like if you try to bubble after every answer, it's gonna make things difficult. Second point. Third point, see, diet source and timetable is also very important. Don't make a timetable which is practically impossible. ठीक है, आज रात बैठ के पूरा बायोलॉजी खत्म कर देता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं होता बाबा. You cannot do this. ठीक है, तो make a proper timetable. ऐसा timetable बनाना which is practical enough. It should not disturb your sleep, neither your food habits, nor your entertainment part. Fix everything in your timetable and abide on to it. We right from beginning, हमारे बचपन से जो है, we have made so many different timetables, but एक timetable के ऊपर भी will never, what you say, follow. It shouldn't happen even in that way. ठीक है, तो what I suggest is, make one practical timetable. I will help you out in that if you need it. You tell me what is your timings, when you wake up, when you sleep, and what are your practical timetable. When I'm talking, the reason over here is, see, NEET is totally for 720 marks. It's not like everyone can score more than 700 marks or someone is going. Practically जैसा timetable आप बना रहे हैं, practically सोचो भी. See, if you score something more than 500, your seat is assured. Okay? And scoring 500 is dead easy. Planning is important. How? See, what you have to do is, you don't have to try to attempt for every question in every part. Like physics में भी पूरा लिखना है, chemistry में भी पूरा लिखना है, bio में भी पूरा लिखना है. नहीं. Please plan it. How? 80 questions in bio. Okay? Out of 90 questions, you're gonna attempt around 80 questions. Okay? Or I will give you in marks split. Say more than 300 marks. At least 300 marks bio में लाना है. Okay? This is first strategy. Second, probably chemistry. Because I'm going in practical series because majority of you feel that physics is little bit difficult. It's in many of your, what you say, students' cases, that majority of the students complain that physics is really difficult, and lesser than that is chemistry. Then the easiest one is bio. So this is on an average, what you say, feedback what I've taken. So based on that I'm telling. तो पहले think that bio में आपको somewhere around 300 के ऊपर लेना ही है. Accordingly you have to answer. Chemistry क्या करना है आप? You go somewhere between, what you say, 130 to 150. उसके लिए फोकस करना है. एंड फिजिक्स में जहाँ पे मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट्स गो रॉन्ग एंड गेट नेगेटिव मार्क्स, वहाँ पे लिमिट योर सेल्फ टू 100 मार्क्स, 100 और 120. तो इफ यू गो अकॉर्डिंगली, यू सी द प्लान, यू आर स्कोरिंग समवेयर अराउंड 550. ठीक है, दिस वुड बी प्रैक्टिकल इनफ. इसके लिए क्या करना है, आप प्रैक्टिकल टाइम टेबल बनाना है. व्हेन यू मेक प्रैक्टिकल टाइम टेबल, मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव ब्रेक्स. कंटिन्यूस स्टडी विल स्ट्रेस यू आउट कंप्लीटली एंड यू गोना गिव अप इन अ डे. ठीक है, तो ऐसा टाइम टेबल बनाना है जिसमें यू पीपल विल मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव प्रॉपर ब्रेक्स. आफ्टर एवरी 45 मिनट्स हैव 5 मिनट्स और 10 मिनट्स ब्रेक. पक्का, विदाउट फेल, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव अ ब्रेक. This is scientifically proven method. If someone is continuously reading, this will affect what you say their studies. They get stressed out. The body is not gonna support. Every one of us, when we sit for studying, our body is upright. I usually tell this in classrooms also. When we sit for studying, for initially, body is erect like this, ekdam straight. But as we are continuing, dhire dhire our shoulders are going down and tummy is coming out. What is this indicating? It is indicating that we are getting tired up. We are not understanding anything. ऐसा नहीं होना है. What you can do to avoid this is have breaks. ब्रेक लेना इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेक लेता हूँ करके व्हाट्सएप उठाए या यूट्यूब उठाए एंड यू हैव स्पेंड मोर देन 1 आवर. इवन दिस शुड नॉट हैपन. ठीक है, 5 मिनट्स ब्रेक मीन्स अलार्म के साथ 5 मिनट्स ब्रेक. 10 मिनट्स ब्रेक मीन्स विथ अलार्म 10 मिनट्स ब्रेक. बट डोंट एक्सीड ब्रेक मोर देन 10 मिनट्स. Short break should be really short, 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Then again start next session. And then when you're studying, make sure that you have target. Target oriented study is very important in NEET. This chapter should be completed in so much time. This is your mindset and you'll work accordingly. And how to complete chapter? एक बड़ी गलती, one big mistake what students do is, they start the chapter, completely read synopsis, and they are satisfied that yes, I have completed my syllabus. दिमाग में एक बात याद रखो, after completing synopsis, if you are not covering objective type, बड़े खसारे में, बड़े नुकसान में हो आप लोग. Please make sure that you have at least one NCERT book in which you are properly having what is NCERT based questions. If you have NCERT based questions, you can perform really well. Okay? The best is, I would actually like to share one of the material what we have prepared. Every word, line by line, we have covered questions in that. Especially with respect to bio, we have made it. But there are many such materials which are available in market. So you can go for it and cover objective type. After synopsis, you're gonna complete objectives for sure. Okay? Then, followed by this, how about food habits? Do not try to eat too much. ठीक है, maybe your mom cooked your favorite recipe and you are starving to death on that day. You try to fill your tummy till your what is it throat. It's not gonna help. ठीक है, half empty stomach is the best way to actually make sure that you have your body tuned on that particular part. ठीक है, this is one important point. Don't eat too much. Then half empty stomach is very good. Regular snacks are good. What type of snack is also important? Don't try to eat constipating foods like biscuits or maybe puffs or bakery products, bread. Such kind of foods are gonna lead to constipation. It's gonna affect your body again. If you have gastric problems, you cannot sit and study properly. If you have constipation problems, your stomach should support your body. ठीक है, every organ of your body should be tuned in such a way. ठीक, so what type of food? Fruits are better to eat during snacks. Then last point what I would like to tell is, see, don't try to eat more oily food or more proteinaceous food. Okay? This will also help you. What to eat? Banana. Banana would be the best fruit for kids or students. Secondly, nuts. You eat almond, you eat walnut, but don't eat pistachios. Okay? Pista is actually having more melatonin. If you eat more pistas, you'll feel sleepy. You'll go to sleep. Almonds, walnut is the best food. Fish, if you are non-vegetarian, fish is also preferred. If not, don't eat any non-veg. Okay? This is the food habit. And do not procrastinate. कल कर लेता हूँ. Next day I'm going to do it. Day after that I'll पक्का do it. Without me next week तो I'm going to complete the syllabus. ये सब will not work out. ठीक है? Do not procrastinate. Make sure वो कबीर कबीर बोल के हैं, क्या बोले तो कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. इट इज़ नॉट कबीर सिंह विच हैव टोल्ड दिस. कबीर के दो हैं, ठीक है. तो क्या करना है इमीडिएटली, योर टास्क इज इतना चैप्टर इतने दिन में करना है. काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डेज प्रॉपरली and decide that on this day so many chapters are gonna be completed. And if you have any doubts, you can reply us back. And if you want to attend NCERT based questions which will help you for your examination, you can come to our website miliaseducation.com. There you can visit and attend the questions without any cost. It is free of cost. It is for everyone. You can actually suggest your friends also, because the forum what we have started is to support every student. So here we are not focusing only on few people. No, it is for everyone. It is for free. That is the reason why I want to support everyone. That is why I've kept it free. Okay? So make sure that you utilize this maximum. And one more thing I just forgot is, like, see the pattern from past years. Which chapter has got maximum weightage? वो वाला check करना है everyone. ज़्यादा वेटेज वाला चैप्टर जो है, द चैप्टर्स विच आर कैरिंग मोर वेटेज, फर्स्ट कवर दैट वन, देन गो फॉर लो वेटेज व्हाट इज ए सिलेबस. तो these are the suggestions what I had. There are many things which are running in my mind, but I am not able to express it right now. But later on, surely I'll share it. Thank you so much. Please make sure that you subscribe our video. Please make sure that you actually follow this page also. You promote it to your friends, because this is for everyone. जैसा मोदी जी बोलते हैं सबका साथ सबका विकास, हम एक्चुअली सबका साथ सबका विकास कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आई वुड नीड योर सपोर्ट. I need your help in this particular part. So hopefully you all will help me out and support me throughout. And आपकी दुआओं का भी मुस्तहिक हूँ. Please pray for me. Thank you so much.